A metallic pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter and the outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. So all are in centimeters, but here we have been given diameter, not radius. Right? When you are drawing a diagram, you have to mention the required dimensions that you will use for calculation. So draw a relevant diagram for this particular question. So what is that we are looking at? We are looking at a pipe. So pipe has a outer diameter, inner diameter, and height. So we are not required to use diameter, we will use radius. So height is 77 centimeter, the radius is 2 centimeter, and this is 2.2 centimeter. So this is basically the pipe, right? This is the picture. So it has length, it has, from center to this is your inner radius, from the center to the other end is the outer radius. This difference has to be known. From the center to the inner part is your inner radius, from the center to the outer part is outer radius. So now what is that we are looking at? Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and total surface area. So let's begin by looking into given. So we are looking at length, which is 77 centimeter. We don't need to convert anything, so we just need to directly copy it. Of outer, radius of outer is diameter of outer by 2. So this is equal to 4.4 divided by 2, that is 2.2, which can be written as 22 by 10 centimeter. And we have inner radius, that is inner by 2, which is 4 by 2, which is 2 centimeter. Okay, that's it. Now the working. So let's begin with the first one, that is curved surface area of inner, which is given by 2 pi RH. So here R is in and height is common for both, so or length. Okay, let me convert this to height. And now we just have to substitute. So 2 into 22 by 7 into inner radius is 2 into height is 77. So this is a clear cancellation, and we have 22 into 22, so 484, right? 2 into 11 is 22. 22 into 22 is 484 into 2. So this will be 861 carry 9. 968 centimeter square. So this particular inner part is, right, the inside part is 968 centimeter square. Now we have to figure out the outer part. Curved surface area of outer, which is 2 pi r out into h. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into outer radius is 22 by 10 into height is 77. So 7 ones are 7 11s are. So again we have 11 into 2, that is 22 into 22 into 22 is 484 into 22 by 10. So simple calculation, but I'll go with the calculator. So 1064.8 1064.8 centimeter square. Because it's divided by 10, we got this answer. And the total curved surface area. So for many, they just go with adding this two. That has to be added, I agree. But even this part of the pipe has to be taken into account. Like over here, we need to consider this part, right? And this is there at the top and at the bottom. So this has to be taken into account. But how do you find this area? How do you find this part of the region? Well, we have to do this. First, we have to find the circular region of this entire region, okay, from the center to the end, and subtract it with the inner part. So inner part is also circular, is it not? Can you see that? It's circular, right? It's circular. So we are subtracting, we are taking it out. So we are taking it out. So when you cut it, obviously, like if you make it a thick metallic pipe and say you kind of, somehow you are able to pull it out. So that part is taken out, is it not? So basically you are subtracting the entire circle minus the inner circle, and that's how you'll get this part of the region. So let's move on to total surface area of the pipe, which is nothing but curved surface area of inner plus curved surface area of outer plus pi r square inner minus, outer, that's bigger, right? Pi r square inner. And we have this is 1064.8 plus 968 plus, here pi is common and the radius r, 2 and 22, right? So outer is 22 by 10, inner is square, by the way, 2 square, close the bracket. I think we can just this addition, right? So this is 0.8, so this will be 2, 1 carry, 16, 13, 1 carry. So this will be 22 by 7 into 484 minus 4, that is 0.84 whole square, by the way. So this is 2.2. I'm taking this as 2.2 now because it's convenient. So that's what I told you guys. Whatever is convenient for that moment of time, you convert the number to that form. So that will be helpful. And now this is 7 ones are 0.1 and 2. So 22 into 0.12. It's an easy multiplication, but 24, 2.64. Okay, I think I didn't. 24, 2.64, right? And this is 1132.8 plus 2.64, and that's your answer. Oh yeah, sorry, this is what I was missing. There are two of it, the top and the bottom. Remember, there are two of this. So into 2 into 2. Okay, so we have 2.64 into 2 plus 1132.8. So this is 1. Wait. Oh, array, this calculation is wrong. This itself is wrong. This is 0.8. 8 and 4 is 12 on carry. 6 and 6 is 13 on carry. Okay, yeah, there is 0 and 9 na. 10, this is correct. And now that's what I was thinking, how come it's so less. So we have 2.64 into 2 plus, okay, so this is 2038.08, so many centimeters square. This is pure multiplication and division, so there's no shortcut per se, so you can do this directly. So you in time I'll show you guys for such big calculation also. Actually you can kind of shorten it, but since they asked individually the values, since we had to calculate this, I'm not going with the intermediary thing which I generally do, because they are asked exclusively for this set of answers, so we'll make use of it. And this is not that difficult. I hope you guys understood why too, because top and bottom, I just showed you guys and I forgot. And so you have this particular answer. And yes,